Finally got the part I've been waiting for. Can y'all guess what it is? Y'all probably can tell by the size of the box. It's the hood. Yep, the hood. Came packed fairly nicely. Looks pretty good. Doesn't need too much body work on it for a fiberglass hood. Came better than I thought. Now I just have to see how it fits on here. How much sanding or fitting I have to do to get this to look right on the car, fit properly on the car. Trying to get it to line up and fit it. This is gonna take a little fiddling. My headlight also came today, but I have to do a little repair on it. One of the tabs is broken off, but the seller tied it to the light, so I can use my plastic welder and weld it back on. So there it is. Got the whole front back together with the grill, the hood, both headlights in. Just got to do some body work now. The hood fit pretty good on one side. This side needs a little more work. But to do all that prep anyway before it's time before I paint it. So that's what it is. Like I said, this was a pretty quick repair. So I can take it now, set up an appointment to get it inspected. So I can get it registered legally, have it legally on the road. Give it a cold start.